Hi, Jaru. I just read through your essay and I love it. I love the pictures are so adorable. They're so thoughtful. They tell an incredibly cute story. And what I love is they're really, really focused. You're not just, telling a very broad idea of your morning, waking up, brushing your teeth, eating breakfast. You're telling a very focused story of waking yourself up, looking at the clock, taking some time to play. Your mom tells you to go back to sleep, but you can't. Then it's 8:30, and you eat your breakfast and go to the class meeting. Really, really, very, very special, and I love it. The one revision idea that I'm going to give you, the thing I'm going to ask you to think about is there one more slide that you can add? So I eat my breakfast and go to the class meeting. Is there one more slide that maybe says one quick little idea about the day and that kind of helps us understand that we're living in a time of quarantine. You're living in a time when you really can't go outside. You have to have your class meeting is going to be on a computer, and it's that this morning is different because of people having to stay inside and not being able to go to school. So is there one last slide that you can add that maybe gives us a sense of this, that your life is different because you're living inside and you're going to school inside? And that maybe reflects back on maybe on the morning that you just showed us, or helps us think a little bit about, as your reader and your viewer of your photographs, helps us think a little bit more about some of the maybe obstacles, or maybe they're not even obstacles, maybe some of the differences, I think is probably more of what I want to say about how your day goes now, because of the difference in the way we're going to school these days. So that would be my advice to you, to maybe just find one more frame. But again, what I really, really love about it is how focused it is, and that it's early morning, and you really give a sense of early morning, not of everything that you do all day long in your early morning, but this idea of getting up early and kind of having this little bit of time for yourself, and then your mom asking you to go back to bed, and then you're laying in bed not being able to sleep. I understand that feeling so well. And then eating your breakfast and getting ready for this day that is kind of a new kind of day, right? Different kind of day than a typical day. Okay, thanks so much for getting it in, and I look forward to seeing the changes you're going to make. Great job, Charu. Great job.